Hello. Yeah, come online. Come online. Come online. I'm here, like as I promised. I promised I will be teaching some of my teachings online, live. That is, I'll be doing live video to teach to give some of my teachings. I'm here. Today, I want to teach you how you can positively break out of lack and want. Part 1, with just bitter leaf and alligator pepper. You know, one thing people don't know about life is that God has given us power to pronounce and to command and to call forth whatever we want or desire. Every natural things, everything God created is for a purpose of mankind. If only you know how to use them, there is power in them. Me, I believe in nature. I work with nature. Everything about me is nature. Everything God created, the leaves, the trees, the animals, everything, I can make use of them and bring good things out from them. There are so many things as a child of God. There are some things you don't need to wait for or lack. Little things you want to sort out with money. You don't need to lack them. There are things you don't need to lack. Small things you need to sort out with small money. It's difficult for you. Yes. If you want to know that life is difficult, very difficult, meet a man that's in lack and want. Are you with me? When you meet a man that lacks, then you will know how difficult life is. So now I have come today to teach you part 1 of how to come out from lack and want with little things God created, things that seems foolish. You know, in this life, those things that looks foolish is what God uses to lift a man. Maybe when I'm teaching you, we say, where did this one come from? What is she talking about? But those things are things that looks foolish, but they are things that lift a man. Yes, there are some certain things you have prayed, you have fasted, you have done all kind of things. If it's not working, follow it with nature, and you will see you get it quickly. So now, I'm here to teach you. It's little but powerful way to attract positive money and favor. You are not supposed to be lacking money according to God's desire. So when you do this ritual, forget how the money will come. It may come from human God created or the people God gave more. Anyhow, the money will come. You will get the money. Money to sort things, some things as a man, as a woman. There are things you need to sort out. But you are finding it difficult to get money. You are not supposed to lack as a child of God. So now, are you ready? Want to go into the teaching? It's just simple. It's not long. Very simple. But I have an assignment for you now. Share this video. Invite people to like my page. That is number one way any of my teaching will work for you. Share my video to reach others. There are so many people that need to listen to this video. There are so many people that need to watch this video. There are so many people that need to do this ritual. So your work, your own part of it is to share the video and invite people to like this page. Agwai, Spiritual Solution. Once again, my name is Agwai, the prophetic spiritualist. Now let's go. First, for this ritual, you need a bitter leaf. This is my bitter leaf, my own bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. You can get bitter leaf anywhere. In the market, in the bush. You can even get from spiritual shops. Those people that sells herbal things, anywhere. Those people that sell spiritual materials, you can get it if you cannot see. But I have mine in my compound, in my house, because I use them for work. So I have them many in my house. I planted them many. So this is bitter leaf. You pluck as many as you can. But in this bitter leaf, this ritual, when you want to pluck this bitter leaf for work, you make sure, number one, you pluck it without talking. That is, when you get there, you must not be talking. Keep quiet and pluck it. Pluck as many as you want. Secondly, the day you pluck the bitter leaf, that is the day you make use of it. That is the day you prepare the item. So let's assume you pluck it today. You make sure you use it today to prepare the material, the item you'll be using for this ritual. If you pluck it today and use it tomorrow morning, it will not work. Please pay attention to this teaching so that you will not do something and say, it did not work. Oh. As for me, it's working for me. It's working for people that I've done it for. And it's working for so many people. And that is why I decided to teach. So please follow the instruction very, very well. You get a bitter leaf, as many as you can. That is number one. Then you get alligator pepper. Look at my alligator pepper. It's not yet opened. So when you get alligator pepper that is not yet open, please make sure you activate it by opening from your back. Don't look at alligator pepper face to face while opening it. No. If you want to learn how to activate your alligator pepper, that one is a teaching for another day. Or you can come to my inbox or my WhatsApp and ask me how to activate your alligator pepper. There are thousands ways to activate your alligator pepper to start working perfectly and powerfully for you. But that is not the teaching for today. This is bitter leaf. This is alligator pepper. Then you gather this bitter leaf, as many as you can, as quantity as you wish. Then you get one full alligator pepper, one full one that is not open. This one, we are not opening it. That is why I'm not going to show you how to activate them, how to activate it. That is why I'm not going to open it, because this ritual, I don't need it opening. Don't open it. You will get full one, full alligator pepper and enough bitter leaf. Put it in your local pot. You can use any pot, but please don't use pots have that is that have you have used for a very long time. You can use a new pot or a local pot, or maybe just any pot that you have used recently, maybe 1 year, 2 years. Not ancient and modern pots. Maybe the one you have used 15 years ago. No. Use a good pot though. Then you put, if it's local pot, is best. You put it on fire, put your bitter leaf, the one you gathered. Then put your alligator pepper on top of it. When you are doing all these things, please don't talk. Be praying in your mind. Be saying what you want. I come out from lack and want. From today, as I use this ritual, as I use these items, I come out from lack and want. Let my door be open. Let money locate me. You just be praying. Don't be thinking any other thing, and don't be thinking of your problem, and don't be talking too much. Pray in your mind, or instead of you to be talking, you can pray out. Cover it. Don't put water. Don't put anything. Then burn the two to ashes. Then after you have burned the alligator pepper and the bitter leaf to ashes, what is the next thing to do? You look for white container or white bottle. Pack the ashes inside the white container. Then you buy white pap. I know some of you will know what is white pap, because that ashes now, you are going to be using it to drink pap. Pap. You can call it pap. You can call it akamo. You can call it ogi. You can call it eko. It depends on what the name you use and know it, but I call it pap. The pap, the normal pap we drink, but the white one, that is the white corn, not the yellow corn, not the dawa, the white corn of it. It is sold in the market. You buy it. This powder, you are going to use it for 7 days. Every morning before you go out for your work, you do that part. That's after you must have dressed, wear your clothes. That should be the last thing you will take. Are you getting me? You do that pap. When you do the pap, after doing the pap, then you take some of the ashes that you have prepared, the bitter leaf and the alligator pepper you have prepared. You pour it inside the pap, some of it. Then you use this, your finger, your right finger, this one, this finger here. By then, the pap should be cold so that you don't hurt yourself, please. Use this finger, turn the pap. This time around, you are not eating the pap with spoon. You make sure you lick the pap with your finger. This your finger. You can buy, for example, people will ask, what is the quantity of the pap? Just as quantity as you can finish. You can buy 15 naira own and do finish. You can buy 15 naira own, divide into 2. Depend on your area, how much they sell it, and the quantity. Take it and take the quantity, the sum of the ashes, like the sum of the powdered something that you have prepared. Pour inside it, then lift it. Pray over it. After praying, pray for what you want. Money, favor. You want God to, whatever that you need that period that is bothering you, the money you want to sort out something, let God provide it for you. After praying, then you blow inside the pipe and the hatches 7 times. 7 times. After blowing, you use your finger, right finger, and turn. After turning it, you start licking it. You lick it like it till you finish. You must not use spoon to eat it. You must not use any other thing except your finger. And when licking it, you will not stand up. You will sit down and balance well like somebody that is very rich, somebody that has money. You understand? You can cross your leg. You can just do like a rich man or a rich woman. Then you start licking it. You lick it. After licking it, when you finish, lick it very well with the powder. Please put the powder enough. Let it touch the ogi or the pap. You turn it and lick. After licking it, you say to yourself, I am not poor. I am not poor. I will not be poor. Lack and want, you are no more in my life. Lack and want, you are no more in my life. Today, money, I call you forth. Money, I call you forth. Come to me. Visit me. Be with me. So might it be. Amen. You say, according to your language. After that, you go and wash the plate and keep. Repeat it the next day for 7 days. Hey. After 7 days, if you do this ritual very well with all your heart, without any doubt in your mind, you do it that you want to sort out this issue that is bothering you. You want to come out from this lack and want, this poverty, this problem of financial issue at that moment. When you do it with your heart and focusing your mind to your chi, to God of the universe, to the Almighty, to your chi, to your group, family mates, to your people, I tell you, by the time you finish that 7 days, you come back and share the testimony with me. You can share it on WhatsApp. You can share it on Facebook. You can even come under this video, the comment section, and share it. But I tell you and I promise you, after doing this ritual, this assignment, you will see the hand of God turn things around for you, open doors for you, and give you money. This is part 1. I'll keep on coming online to teach you more on how to come out from lack and want, poverty, then with other teachings. Let me tell you, you are a child of God. You are not meant to suffer. You are not meant to be in trouble. God's original plan for mankind is to be comfortable. Comfortability. You don't need to suffer. See you next time. Please help me share this video. Let people like it. You can like it. You can comment. You can share love. Send love. I send mine to you. Thank you for watching. I will always come online. Share this video. Invite people to like my page. I will always come online these days because I have been typing and people keep saying, Agwai, we want to be seeing you online, to be teaching us online. Here I am. Oh, where are you people now that have been complaining? Oh, yeah, come out. Invite people, share this video. Love you all. See you next time.